Sidr oil, a timeless natural remedy rooted in various ancient traditions, holds a legacy of health, beauty and wellness that is handed down through generations. An ancient natural oil with history, extracted from the leaves and berries of the sidr tree, Ziziphus spina Christi, and known for its aromatic scent and holistic properties. By using Sidr oil, we honor generations of traditions, a product embodying nature's rhythms. Now picture this. You apply a drop of oil that hydrates your skin and makes you feel like you are in a place where self-care meets natural wellness. In this introduction, we will explore the mystical profile of Sidr oil, its singular therapeutic properties, its unique properties and why it has earned its popularity in holistic practices around the globe.